Baked cauliflower tots are a great snack. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. Wash your hands with soap and warm water. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Prep the cauliflower and grate it using the large side of a grater. Combine all the ingredients. For more flavor, add a pinch of dried parsley or garlic. Mix all ingredients well. Press the mixture together to make 12 small tots. Wash your hands with soap and warm water after handling raw egg. Bake for 20 to 30 minutes. For crispy tots, broil for 2 minutes. Watch closely to avoid burning. Cool for 2 minutes. With this recipe, you're getting vitamin C, which builds a strong immune system. Thanks to Food Hero for sharing this recipe. Enjoy!